Hi, my name is José Chavez and I am a multidisciplinary artist. In the following video, I will be showing you how sugar skulls are traditionally made in Mexico using clay molds. Sugar skulls offerings are a very important part of the Mexican celebration of Dia de los Muertos. They are given as a token of friendship to remind us of our own mortality. They are also a very important part of the ofrendas and are placed on the altars to welcome and honor the souls during the festivities. The first step is to place the molds in a bucket of cold water. Then measure and mix the sugar and water using 2 pounds of sugar and 1 cup of water. After mixing the ingredients, the mixture needs to be boiled to remove the water. You will know that the water has been removed when, after the first boiling, the liquid sugar changes from a cloudy appearance to a crystal clear appearance. Once that the water has been removed from the mixture, fill the molds with liquid sugar and let them rest for about 4 minutes. After waiting for the liquid sugar to set, separate the molds and let them rest for another 4 to 5 minutes to proceed with the decoration. To make the icing, use icing sugar, water, and food coloring ingredients. Finally, place the icing in a plastic bag. Make a small hole in one of the corners of the bag and get ready to decorate the sugar skulls. Using your imagination to create designs, and very importantly, don't forget to name the sugar skulls, writing its name and the skull forehead. Thank you.